Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Today I'm going to share with you a very tasty and delicious recipe. I'm going to make Achari pork. It's a pickled pork. It's going to be hot and spicy. I'm going to use a boneless pork meat, 2 pound, 1 cup diced tomatoes, olive oil, 3 tablespoons, 2 green serrano chili, 1 tablespoon ginger, 5 garlic cloves, turmeric powder, degi mirt, garam masala, cumin powder, coriander powder, salt, curry powder, half teaspoon each, cumin seed, mustard seed, cilantro, 1 teaspoon each, 1 red onion. I'm going to use a Punjabi Teekha mango pickle. It will be 2 tablespoons. I'm going to bring all the spices into the pork meat. I'll bring pickle, which is Achar. With the help of fork, I'm going to mix it well. All the spices and the pickle is nicely incorporated with the meat. Now we're going to let it rest for 10 minutes and we'll prepare tadka. Get a fry pan and we're going to start gas. And we're going to keep the gas on high. I'll bring olive oil. You can use any vegetable oil. I'll bring cumin seed and mustard seed. We're going to give like a 10 seconds. As it start to sputter, we're going to bring ginger. Mix it. Bring garlic. Mix it well. We're going to cook like 30 seconds. Bring onion. Mix it well. We're going to saute onion until they get translucent. Cooking for 3 minutes. Onions are translucent. I'll bring green chili. And green chili we're going to cook only like a half minute. Keep them fresh. This is looking perfect and now I'm going to bring the pork meat. Pork meat has been sitting for 10 minutes. It's nicely marinated and now we're going to mix them well. Once tadka is nicely incorporated, on high gas we're going to cook for 5 minutes. So keep moving, keep mixing so it won't get burned. Cooking on high gas for 5 minutes. Now I'm going to bring diced tomatoes. Mix it well. After mixing it well, I'll bring the gas to medium. Cover with the lid and we're going to cook for 10 minutes. After 5 minutes, I'm going to open it and we're going to stir it once. Cooking for 5 minutes with the closed lid. I'll start fan and I'm going to open it. The pork has released all the water, so after mixing it well, I'm going to cover with the lid again and we're going to cook it for additional 5 minutes on medium gas. Another 5 minutes on medium gas, altogether 10 minutes. Start the fan and I'm going to open the lid, mix it. If we check our meat now, cooking for altogether 15 minutes. It still needs cooking. Pork meat takes a longer time to cook. Now I'm going to bring cilantro, dhania, mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, I'll bring the temperature to medium low, which is number 3. And we're going to cover with the lid and we're going to cook it for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, we're going to check it if it needs more cooking. Cooking on a medium low gas for 15 minutes. I'm going to start fan and I'm going to open the lid. Mix it well. If we check the pork, it nicely cuts through. It's looking good. If we cut another piece and we'll see. Yes, nicely cut through. And this is the perfect Achari pickled pork. You really don't need any water or gravy. If you want, you always can add that. Now I'm going to bring the gas to simmer, which is low, and I'm going to let it simmer for 5 minutes. Another 5 minutes of cooking on a simmer. I'm going to turn off the gas. I have my serving bowl ready. We're going to open it. It's looking so delicious. Mix it. And I'm going to dish out. Achari pork is so delicious, so tasty. If you haven't tried it, please try it. Our tasty and delicious Achari pork, mango pickle pork is ready, and you can serve with roti, chapati, fulka, naan, tortilla, bread, and best of all, with rice flour. And you can serve as appetizer, and this is perfect Achari pork. I hope you're going to like this dish. Please let me know how it turned out for you. And if you like this one, please like, share, subscribe, Easy Steps Cooking. And I'm going to see you soon with the new recipe. Best of all, Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you. Bye-bye.